Introducing the perfect solution for beaders on the go, the BeadSmith Beadwork Folio Case and Deluxe Kit. With this portable storage case, you can easily bring all your tools, stringing materials, beads, findings, and components, all in one place, wherever your creative journey takes you. The included Beadboard is our most popular size and features a flocked tray surface that helps prevent beads from rolling around. With 6 recessed sections for sorting beads and findings, and 3 U-shaped channels with measurements, you can easily pre-plan and design your jewelry. The clear cover fits snugly over the board, keeping everything in place and secure during transport. The Bead Folio is the perfect travel case. The elastic straps and mesh pouch keep all your supplies in place, while the zipper closure ensures that everything stays inside. There's even a carrying handle for easy transport, so you can take your supplies with you wherever you go. With the Deluxe Kit, you get a 4-piece tool set which includes a round nose plier, a crimping tool, which works with standard 2mm crimps, a semi-flush side cutter, and a chain nose with cutter. The pliers all measure 5 inches, are lap joint constructed, and feature double leaf springs. The Basic Elements Bead Folio is the perfect solution for anyone who loves beading and wants to be able to create wherever they go.